1776 Rabbit, and there's been reports of a 7.1 earthquake in the same spot in Southern California as we had a large earthquake yesterday on the 4th of July. Today is the 5th of July. This report's just coming in. Wow. .1. Holy crap, that's pretty big. It's large. I said it might be a 6.9. It'd probably get reclassified. There's a 6.4 from yesterday, which was pretty big. Same spot. There's been a swarm of aftershocks after that. Yesterday, in the same general area, even today. See there, this is a Navy testing ground, by the way. This area right here. Let's see if we can change the map and make it a satellite here. Terrain, satellite. Let's look at the satellite. Yeah, this is a testing ground for the Navy. I can't remember the name of it. China Lake, I believe. It's kind of odd, and these earthquakes, like this one, is literally on the surface. It looks like at the surface, the earthquake, not deep at all, which indicates it's not like a deep down fault. Like yesterday, it was 10 kilometers deep, which is pretty close to the surface. 7 kilometers, 2 kilometers. A lot of these aftershocks, and this one today is like literally at the surface. The 7.2 is at the surface, or 7.1. So we'll get updates on this and find out what's actually going on here. That's kind of odd. Strange looking buildings. Yeah.